Hello, my name is Chris DeMartino, and I'm a technical marketing engineer at Mini Circuits. In the previous video, we spoke about the Mini Circuits TSS 43ULN Plus ultra low noise MMIC amplifier. We'll continue that theme here by discussing a different ultra low noise MMIC amplifier, the TSS 43ULN Plus. Compared to the TSS 23ULN Plus, the TSS 43ULN Plus covers a higher frequency range of 500 MHz to 4 GHz. It operates from a single plus 5 volt DC supply with typical current consumption of 59 milliamps. Like the TSS 23ULN Plus, the TSS 43ULN Plus comes in a small 2x2mm QFN-style package that can be easily integrated into densely packed printed circuit board designs. And note that it too is equipped with a voltage-controlled shutdown feature. In terms of performance, at 2 GHz, the TSS 43ULN Plus can achieve about 19 dB of gain, along with about 0.4 dB noise figure. It also delivers at least plus 23 dBm of output power at 1 dB compression across nearly the entire operating frequency range of 500 MHz to 4 GHz. Also, the output IP3 is greater than plus 34 dBm across most of this frequency range. The TSS 43ULN Plus is well suited for sensitive receiver applications, including cellular infrastructure, satellite communications, radar, electronic warfare, and more. Well, thanks everyone for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter and follow Mini Circuits on social media for the latest information.